Did you know some creatures thrive in extreme conditions? Welcome to Yellowstone, home to unique life forms. These organisms, called extremophiles, withstand boiling temperatures and acidic environments. Let's explore these fascinating beings together. In Yellowstone, hot springs reach temperatures above 200 degrees Fahrenheit. These harsh conditions might seem deadly. However, extremophiles thrive where most life cannot. They belong to various groups like bacteria and archaea. Let's see how they survive and adapt. Firstly, extremophiles contain special proteins called heat shock proteins. These proteins help them repair damage from high heat. Next, they have unique membranes that remain stable at extreme temperatures. This protects their cells from thermal damage. Another amazing trait is their ability to thrive in acidic conditions. Some hot springs have a pH lower than battery acid. Yet, extremophiles flourish here, using the acidity for their own metabolism. These adaptations are key to their survival. For example, Thermos aquaticus is a well-known extremophile. It lives in hot springs and produces Taq polymerase. This enzyme is essential in DNA replication. Scientists use it for polymerase chain reactions in labs worldwide. In summary, Yellowstone's extremophiles are remarkable survivors. They teach us about resilience in extreme environments. These adaptations offer insights into life's potential on other planets. Want to learn more about extremophiles? Subscribe now and explore the wonders of nature with us.